In 2025, building passive income has never been easier or more exciting. Whether you want to earn money while you sleep, free up your time, or just stop trading hours for dollars, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 7 beginner-friendly ways to create passive income streams that can grow over time with minimal effort. Let's dive in. 1. Self-publish an ebook. If you've got knowledge to share or a story to tell, self-publishing on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is one of the simplest ways to make passive income. You write it once, upload it, and every sale brings in royalties. No printing, no shipping. It's a great way to turn your ideas into ongoing income. 2. Sell digital products. Next, digital products. From printable planners and templates to stock photos and digital art, sites like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell your creations around the clock. Create it once, list it, and you're done. It's the definition of set it and forget it. 3. Rent out your space. Got a spare room, parking space, or even a garage you're not using? List it on Airbnb, Neighbor, or a similar platform. You don't need to own a second home. Just make use of what you already have and watch that space turn into cash. 5. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. Each quarter or month, you get a payout from the company's profits. It does take some research and upfront capital, but once you're invested, the money rolls in automatically. 5. Launch or invest in AI-driven businesses. AI is exploding, and it's making passive income a lot more hands-off. From automated e-commerce stores to AI-managed marketing funnels, tech tools now handle the work for you. If you're tech-savvy, or even if you're not, this is one of the fastest-growing opportunities in 2025. 6. Start a YouTube channel or podcast. This one's close to home because you're watching it right now. Content takes effort up front, but once it's published, it keeps working for you. Monetize with ads, sponsors, and affiliate links, and your videos or episodes can generate income for years. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Finally, consider peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you invest in personal or small business loans, and you earn interest as they pay it back. It's a hands-off way to diversify your income. Just know, like all investments, there's risk involved. Let's do a quick recap. You can earn passive income through ebooks, digital products like you're renting out space, dividend stocks, AI businesses, YouTube or podcast peer-to-peer lending. Whether you're creative, tech-savvy, or just resourceful, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to start building passive income in 2025, don't wait. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on building wealth and freedom. Drop a comment and let me know which idea you're most excited to try. Let's make 2025 the year you earn while you sleep.